Good morning, Raiders. It's a pleasure to be here with you. It's been a little bit drier today than it was yesterday. Certainly saw a lot of rainfall across the area. That was all due to the low pressure system that's now off the eastern seaboard. That's set up as double low pressure, and so that just intensifies the storm system because of its location near the Atlantic Ocean, wrapped in a lot of moisture. We saw over 3 inches of rain throughout the region, which caused a lot of flooding. There was even some wind gusts that caused some downed trees because as the ground gets soggy, it gets a little bit more unstable. It's a lot easier for those trees to fall over. Now behind that low pressure system, you'll see the blue on the west side of the Catskills, so they're seeing some snowfall. May see a little bit of snow falling here. I don't really love the temperatures. They're more in the mid-30s for us as opposed to the lower 30s to upper 20s out towards the west, but could see a snowflake or two. And then behind that, looks like we'll see relatively calm conditions over the next several days. I'll have more information for you on that in the 5-day forecast. But first, a question of the week. This comes from one of my students. Thank you so much, Shep. Shep asked, what are some of the rarest weather phenomenon that you know about? And this was a really difficult task. I found a lot of really rare weather phenomenon. Weather is weird. But here are some 3 that I found particularly interesting. One is that it can actually rain frogs and fish and spiders and small critters like that. When a tornado or a strong storm blows over an area, the suction from the low pressure system can draw up those small animals. And when that low pressure dissipates, that energy is gone and it can rain frogs and fish. It sounds like something out of biblical times, but it's just a part of the weather phenomenon. Very, very interesting. They call it animal rain. The second type of phenomena is called morning glory clouds. These are beautiful. They're mostly seen in Australia, but they have been noted in California as well. These are created when updrafts and downdrafts go through pre-existing clouds and create like this rolling effect that you can see in that lower picture there. Very cool. And then the last one is ball lightning, and I've actually seen ball lightning once. It was really incredible, very weird and rare, and you'll see in that picture it looks like a ball, and they aren't exactly 100% sure how it works. Something to do with plasma interacting with the gases of the atmosphere. We're learning more about that as time goes on. All right, great questions, Shep. If you have any other questions for me, please feel free to send them in and I'll get to them on the air. All right, let's get to that 5-day forecast and see what we have for the week ahead. For your Tuesday, look for a chance of rain and snow, very slight chance. It will be breezy. We'll see some clearing late. Highs will be in the low 40s. Temperatures will drop throughout the day, with the lowest temperatures actually being later on Tuesday as opposed to the typical morning time. For Wednesday, look for mostly sunny skies. Highs will be in the low 40s. For Thursday, mostly sunny skies continue. That will be the first day of winter with a high of 41 and a low of 25. For Friday, mostly sunny, high of 40, low of 21. And for Saturday, it looks like sunny skies. Highs will be in the low 40s. At this point, the next chance of rain looks to be early next week, but it's really too far out to tell. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great rest of the week and a fantastic winter break, and I'll see you back here in the new year.